Okay, so I'm super hyped because I'm going to do the unboxing of my medicated hair growth serum so that you guys can see it for yourself. And then I'll probably walk you through the process because I have a lot of questions that I want to answer. So call this like an unofficial Q&A. But really quickly, I wanted to get my nails done before doing this, but who cares? This is real life. This ain't TV. This is real life. All right, so we're going to use my nails to open this box and do this unboxing. And I'm not like... to be honest with you, I'm gonna do it exactly how I do in real life because I'm not trying to put on for this camera. All right, so it's coming in a box like this. This is a prescription. I'm gonna try to answer a lot of questions while, you know, this is a prescription. Easy said, easy peasy. It's a prescription. You cannot get this online. Well, okay, let me take that back. You can only get this online at herscriptsrx.com. But what I mean by you can't get it online is you can't go to Amazon. You can't go to like Sephora, Ulta, Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. You can't go anywhere to get this, right? You can literally only go to herscriptsrx.com to get your hands on this, okay? Now, of course, I have a cute little card here and some information from my partnering pharmacy that fills the prescription and ships it directly to you. So I am not at home putting together packages and sending it USPS, FYI. Now, I would love to do it. I would prefer to do that because it would save me a lot of money. But no, I can't do it that way because it's a prescription. Of course, you have a picture of me here, a barcode, some other information, blah, blah, blah. Take a look at it when you get it. What you need to know, because I'm on my phone, is this is what you're going to get. This is what you're going to get. So I'm going to keep this part in only because it's a prescription. It's like you would get a prescription, right? And this is what it looks like. Focus. How do I get it to focus, y'all? I'm so new at this. Ah, there we go. All right, so I'm blocking out all the rest of it. You're gonna have information on how to use, you know, like you would any other prescription. You're gonna get that information on how to use. Now, what you need to know is this is medication. 1 dropper is 1 ml. See is 1 ml, right? You are, let's say your prescription says to use this every day, daily. You are literally only doing 1 ml per day. That's it. To the affected area. So for me, it's usually back here. And you know, you guys are better than me. Like you guys actually oh, that feels so good. It's soothing to the scalp, especially when your scalp is itchy, honey. Listen, a little goes a long way. You can only use 1 ml a day. It says apply to the affected area. If you want to apply to your whole scalp, you go choo, 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 choo. If your edges is the problem, choo, choo. That's it. That's it. Do not. Hold on. And then I'm gonna massage it in. Oh, y'all, because I don't know what is going on, but I have this serious inflammation, y'all, in the back of my scalp. Like, it's just irking, and I can't tell you why. But here's what you need to know. I'm doing this on my phone, so I might shoot it again on my camera because, you know, oh, look at that. Here's what y'all need to know. Ooh, that feel good. Y'all, that cooling effect, though, is no joke. Okay, here's what you need to know. Long story short, this is medication. It's a prescription. It's very, very potent. A little goes a long way. Wherever you do not want hair to grow, do not drop this. Yes, men can use it on their beard. It will help you with your patchy beard. You can put it on your eyebrows. Again, wherever it goes, hair will grow. Number 2, it is medication, like I said 100 times already. But my point in saying that is you do not do 1 dropper and then go back in like you would a growth oil or oil and then go back in and then go back in and then go back. No, no, no. You don't want to cause irritation, A, but B, it's a lot, you know, and this bottle is going to last you it should last you a whole month. You're going to need to do it at least 3 months for you to see the effects that you're looking for. And my recommendation is after you put it on and you massage your scalp and you do what you do. And I know I'm not doing like the official scalp massage. My thing is, please wash your hands. Wash your hands. Do not go and start touching all different parts of your face. Go wash your hands after it. I don't know what is this whatever in the back, but that's where I usually put it. Affected area, if you have a ball patch, if you have, you know, thinning in your part, whatever, or if, again, you want to put it in your whole scalp, just that 1 ml per day. That is all you need. So when you go on the website, herscriptsrx.com, you're going to take a health assessment. It's a health intake. That is the equivalent of you going to see a doctor. You cannot bypass that. No, there's no way to do it. You have to take a health assessment. It's about 2 to 3 minutes long. It's not that big of a deal. Just take the assessment. And at the end, then of the assessment, you get to pick your subscription, whichever, whatever, pick your subscription. Just letting you know right now, if once the doctor reviews your chart, they feel you do not qualify, you will get your refund. They are not going to send you the prescription. It will not come to you. You will have access to your patient portal so you can see everything that's going on in real live time. Okay. So for the most part, if all is well and you are cleared to take the medication, then you're going to get constant correspondence letting you know, hey, the doctor is reviewing your chart. Hey, your script is being filled and shipped. You're going to have access to that information. So that's why it's a prescription, because this is a prescription drug. These ingredients are prescription drugs. They are not available on the mass market for purchase. You cannot purchase it. Just like you can't go to the mass market and purchase. You can't go to Kirkland, you can't go to BJ's, and you can't go to Costco and get Ozempic. You just can't. It's the same thing, okay? It's the same thing. And just like with those, you have to have a health assessment, whether you go to your doctor and your doctor tells you, or whether you go to a compounding place online, you still have to have an assessment. I think that's it off the top of my head. Most of the questions that I've been, unfortunately, I am only available right now in the US because this is a medical treatment and this is a medical platform. There are medical hurdles and regulations that I have to comply with. There's medical compliance. So I am not available in the UK or in Canada. I am so sorry, but that is the goal. But first we have to see how we do in the US market first. And by see how we do, not efficacy, but just see if it's even worth expanding to other markets. The other thing that I'm trying to think of, because I'm guilty of not taking my own advice, which is washing my hands, but I just want to finish this video. So that's why you have to take an assessment. That's why it's a prescription. A provider, a doctor, a medical doctor is going to review your chart. You have to take that assessment. And I do not have access to any of it. So do not feel like if you upload anything or if you answer any questions that I'm going to go through your health stuff and I'm going to be like, ooh, girl, ooh, no, I don't have access to that. If you know anything about HIPAA compliance, I am fully HIPAA compliant. I am legit script certified, meaning that we are a legitimate online healthcare, digital health company, business. I do not have access to any of your private clinical data. So do not be concerned that I am going to go through your stuff and look and then run and tell somebody and be like, tell that, be like, girl, let me tell you about these people. I don't have access to any of that stuff. So do not worry. None of that stuff can be used for marketing purposes. None of it could be used by third-party marketers. I don't have access to anything. And I think that's it. This was supposed to be like a 2-minute video, but I wanted to answer questions and I got caught up not talking. I think that's it. I think that's the gist of it, y'all. Please just leave comments down below. Let me know what questions I could answer. Just let me know what concerns you guys still have. If there's something that's like, I really want to try it, but I want to know what the reluctance is. Because like I say, and I'm going to end this quickly, you know, listen, we spend money on what we want to spend money on, okay? We can go spend money on drinks. We can go spend a couple of dollars on some bundles. We can go and get an install that's $200 something. We get our nails done, lashes done, hair did, nails done, everything did. And it be upwards of $100, $1 or more. You know what I'm saying? This is not $1 or more. But my point is, we'll invest in whatever we think is valuable, whatever we want. And that's cool. It's your money. You work hard for it, do what you want with it. But my thing is, this is an investment in your hair's wellness, in your hair wellness. Like if you're watching this, if you even purchase it or you want to purchase it, it's because you want to grow your hair back. You want thicker, fuller hair, or you want a good baseline so that by which you can put knotless braids, or you can put extensions or micro links or whatever it is that floats your boat. You don't want thin, brittle hair underneath all of that. At the end of the day, you want to feel your best even when it all comes off, at least at the edges, at your edges, right? So if you're willing to invest in all those things, that's not improving anything. It's just deteriorating everything over time, but you just like the after effects, the looks, because we know these gels and these acrylics, they're destroying our nail bed, but we do it anyway, right? Why not invest in something that is literally going to biohack hair growth and grow your hair, revitalize your hair from literally from a cellular level? So that's my recommendation. I really want you guys to feel what I felt when I started growing my hair back after losing it. It's an amazing feeling. And listen, don't get it twisted. I will throw in some micro links in the summertime when I'm ready. But the truth of the matter is, I just love feeling like me again. Your hair doesn't make you. You don't need it. It's up to you. This is all preference. But if you do prefer, and if you are here and you are watching this channel, that is my recommendation. Just give it a try. That's why I'm giving you guys a trial offer. Go to the website. And for those of you who still are not believers, who I still have to convince, no problem. If you want to know everything that's in it, click the link in the description box to find out what the F is inside of my formula that makes it work so well. And go ahead, go have at it. I'm not hiding anything, nothing to hide here. And try and see if you get your hands on it if you want. Why you think it took me so long to get it live? All right. Anyway, baddies, I love you. And I'm gonna try to do more, I'm not giving y'all too much, but I'm gonna try to give y'all more natural, this is just me videos. But I gotta do it with my phone, because if I got it set up, it's not gonna get done. Anyway, love you, baddies. I hope that was not too much. Bye.